Yo, hey guys, today we're gonna talk about Bevel Modifier and how we use Bevel. So first thing, if you have a cube like this, if you want to bevel the edges, you can hit Ctrl B and use it like this way to achieve the curves here. Or while you hit Ctrl B, hit B for pen and you can do the opposite, something like this, and increase it with wheel. Also, if you want to go with something like make window or something in this cube and make it looks like cool, you're gonna duplicate it and move it here, hit Ctrl A and apply the scale and location everything, and then we go here, select these two edges and hit Ctrl B for bevel, B again, like this way. And then you can scale it. Here, select the both and hit Ctrl minus. So your cut look like clean and perfect with that curve. So that was second use. Then if you use, if you're interested in isometric room, as many of Blender artists. So if you go here and let's say you have table or make table and want to make it looks cool and fit to style. So at first you're gonna go here, edit mode, select everything, and go here with edges data. So boost this edges to 1, and go here to generate and use bevel. And you can go with weight or angle everything, but here I'm gonna use weight. So switch to weight, and you can increase segment and play a little with amount. And customize it until you feel okay. And also you can customize it with loop cut, assist, something like this. So you're gonna fit to style or everything gonna be okay. So that's gonna be useful in isometric stuff and rooms. So another method here, when you go with cube, something like this way, you can apply everything. And if you want to make a room inside it or side like this, you need to insert the faces in the right way. And if you use the bevel, hit Ctrl B and customize it with the mouse here. You're gonna see you make that curves inside. Also, it's useful if you have if you work with modeling. You can go here after add loop cut. So you're gonna fit to the shape. And next, if you select the vertices, you can select them like this and hit Ctrl Shift and B. So you can add angles. And this is gonna be useful if you're modeling something or need to add this curve, or as you see here, this curve looks amazing. I use it while modeling a train. Yeah. So here, that was useful in while I modeling this door or the window to achieve that curves here. Like this, smooth and clean. And if you go here to modeling and go to edit mode and hit I for insert and make extrude like this, you can hit Ctrl B to bevel the face, and that's gonna give you some more details in modeling, and it's gonna be useful. So that was Bevel Modifier, and I hope that was useful, and thanks for watching.